Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, back at 12th man today. I'm going to try and do this review again. Didn't really work last time. Lost all the pictures of the food. So we're going to turn the camera around, do it the other way today. And we should be alright. Got a family with us as well, so we'll show you when it comes out what we all had.
I've had...
I'm going to turn you around, you can hear them.
I've had the lasagna.
I've had the steak pie.
And I've had tuna baguettes and chips. So yeah.
And we got the essentials of white coffee. Start the day. Marcus has got his Coca-Cola.
Of course I've got a beer, so...
I thought you had the cider.
No, I've got a beer.
Beer in the sun.
Absolutely lovely on the terrace here. I'll show you in a minute.
Sun's on my back already.
I'll show you when the food comes out and then... Yeah. See you in a minute. Okay guys, food's out. There's a tuna baguette.
Lasagna. Thank you. Okay
And there's chips. You got lasagna, sir, yeah?
Yeah, look at that, that's huge.
Looks nice big lasagna.
It is, and garlic bread.
And garlic bread, brilliant. And Marcus, you've got the...
Yeah, I went with the traditional steak pie. Always
pie and
have it
chips.
when I come here, and guys, believe me, it is gorgeous. Best pie ever.
See all the troops
Can't
of
wait
steak
to
as well.
tuck in.
So I'll let you know what it tastes like. I'm sure it'll be lovely. There we go. So what is it now, guys? 11, something like that.
10 to 12.
10 to 12. So yeah, it's going to be like breakfast, early dinner this. More early dinner, I think. Okay, we'll see you in a minute when we've ate it and give you a review what it was like. Hi guys, yeah, it's fantastic. That was nice to get some what you want when you want it. A little bit of tuna now and again. Absolutely lovely. I didn't fancy the onions with it, but yeah, they were really nice with it. So yeah, chips were good too. Yeah, I'm going to pass you around the family, see what they thought of it. Right, and you go, Sue, can you get in there? Get in there.
Hi guys. That's it. So yeah, I had the lasagna, absolutely gorgeous, loads of it, homemade chips and a nice little side salad as well. It was really, really nice. And garlic bread, absolutely gorgeous. Not dry, like you can get some garlic breads quite dry. This was quite juicy with the garlic butter. So overall, 10 out of 10.
In yet? Okay. That's all I am. So guys, I had the homemade steak pie. Same thing I usually have every time I come here, because that's how nice it is, guys. Takes you back to Britain with the flavours of it, just absolutely gorgeous. The crust falls apart in your mouth like that soft, but it does have that crunchiness to it, sexy gravy. The steak as well, just proper juicy, like thick bits of steak, not your cheap rubbish.
So what's sexy gravy, Marcus?
Sexy gravy is basically that just good thick gravy, that proper English gravy, none of your rubbish. The chips, homemade chips, freshly made, crunchy outside, soft inside, absolutely gorgeous. You can't fault it, guys. Solid 10 out of 10 for me, guys. If you're ever in Benidorm looking for somewhere to eat, definitely come down, pop in and say hi to Rob and the gang. Have a good meal, have a good few drinks as well. Like, show him some love, guys. He's a nice lad as Rob. Come support him. Back to Mike.
Long way back.
But there, guys. There we go. Yeah, we're back. Yeah, lovely sunny terrace here. Let's try and share the terrace now.
Oh. And they've got the Valentine's event coming up.
The terrace, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Loads of sunshine all morning. Sonny, come here. Plenty of room.
Saturday the 12th of February.
Yeah, brilliant.
Saturday, that's Saturday coming, yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad, that.
Ticket, is it?
This was, sorry.
Oh, yeah, it says there.
Something about the Valentine's do now.
Glass of bubbly on the rifle.
€5.
Yeah, that's a book.
Here's Rob.
We laid on as well.
Is that going to be inside though?
Yeah, be inside.
You want to come in on video, Rob? We've just done a review of the food. All good?
Fantastic.
There's Rob.
You see yourself in there?
Hello.
That's Rob, the owner.
Thank you. Another 3 satisfied customers. Lovely food.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Definitely 10 out of 10 off us all.
Brilliant. Thanks very
So
much.
come
guys.
down and see
Thank
Rob.
you.
Come down and see Rob.
More than welcome anytime. Lovely sunny terrace. Great food. Entertainment all afternoon from 4 o'clock onwards, right through till 10.
There you go,
Down
guys.
and enjoy yourself at the 12th. Thank you. Thank you.
Here's Rob.
Rob.
Thanks, guys. Anyway, yeah, that's all for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.